So here's my first test of the brand of Fort Manle. I decided to go with 40 Thieves. I thought the name was pretty badass, so I decided to blind buy this one. We'll see what we get. Keep it tuned in. Thanks. Fragrance family, welcome to my 40 Thieves from the House of Fort Manle unboxing and first impression video. I had this one split by, we'll have to say, my new splitter. He's great. He's on Facebook. I should give him a link down below or something that you guys can get a hold of him because he's awesome. I asked him to split any fragrance that I'm really interested in, and a lot of fragrances that I'm interested in are very much unorthodox, not top sellers, things like that. Like a fragrance like this, you're not going to get too much popularity out of it. So I really appreciate that he's splitting fragrances for me, such as this, and it gets me to try out new brands. Fort Manle is new to me. This is my very first sniff of the brand. I felt like this one was going to be the closest one to what this nose is going to like, because I looked at the note breakdown and I thought it was pretty heavy as a fragrance, and I think that's right up my alley. So let's go to unboxing. Again, this one was split, so there's no cellophane, and I got half of the fragrance. These bottles are very small. Is this a 50 ml? I don't even know what I split. Oh yeah, 50 ml. So these bottles look really great up close. Unfortunately for you guys, you're not going to see it in this video, but it's a small bottle in my hands here, but that plaque is really nicely done. 40 Thieves, EDP concentration. It has some weight to it. Really, actually a nice presentation. This is a brand that I'm looking at numerous fragrances depending on how it goes with this one. So let's see how this one goes. On a piece of paper, again, I always say, if you're gonna spend this kind of money, always put it on skin if you're gonna test it out. Do not do what I do, kids. Do not blind buy a fragrance like this. Unless you're splitting it, then it's actually, you know, I think I paid like a designer fragrance price out of this thing, you know, $100 Canadian, give or take. Makes all kinds of, oh, God damn, that is good. Resinous. Is that amber I smell? Maybe. Oh man, this is resinous sweetness, you know. Amber Absolute comes to mind. It's got more facets than that, but it has a syrupiness to it. It's got some sweetness. It's got some incense too. Incense big time. Beautiful incense. It reminds me of Amber Absolute meets Avignon by Comme des Garçons, if I can say that. It has a dustiness. It's got some incense, amber, sweetness from the amber. It might be hitting me with different types of sweetnesses, but amber is definitely high up there. High octane amber with incense. Beautiful, beautiful set. So dark, right up my alley. It has a little bit of a creamy aspect to the fragrance. A lot of these fragrances that are resinous, obviously a little harsh to the nose. Not my nose, I love these type of fragrances, but this has like a, not a cleanness, because I don't want to say it's thin. It's definitely not thin. This is a thick fragrance. It has some florals in it. It really has a lot of aspects. I can't wait to delve into this one a little bit more. I think it has several facets hitting me, but the major one is the resinous amber with that incense is absolutely beautiful. This is a beautiful, this is a beautiful scent. This is sold. Let's get another fragrance from this brand, because this is absolutely gorgeous. Resin dominant fragrance, right up my alley. If you enjoyed this content, you know what to do. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't. And hit that bell if you haven't already. You don't want to miss all my unboxings. I got a bunch of them. I'm looking at them right now. I got Monsieur from Frédéric Malle that I have to unbox. I got a brand new fragrance called, I'm not going to tell you. I'm not going to spoil it. But I got a lot of stuff coming up. So definitely hit that bell. Be part of my notification gang. At the same time, I am on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Twitter not so much, but I'm there. Type in Robes08. You'll find this mug. And follow me on that. Instagram, I like to do my scent of the day, scent of the night, a little picture here and there, letting you know what I'm wearing during the days. I don't really do YouTube videos on what I'm actually wearing. Some for testing, some for just for personal use. So keep it tuned in on those. I also have a Facebook group called Fragrance Guru Nation, where we're up to, we're close to 16,000 members on there. Fragrance Guru Nation is a great Facebook group that's based upon fragrances. It's a group that I started for my YouTube channel, and it's just grown. It's huge. So come join us today. We talk about fragrances, new releases. We talk about fragrance reviewers, our community. We're talking people are buying, selling. Be careful out there on Facebook. Don't buy everything you can. It's a dangerous game. But a great group. As always, a great or poor fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your scent wisely, YouTube. Thanks for watching. Have a good